What is scheduled maintenance, and how does one plan, prioritize, and track it? Scheduled maintenance is any pre-planned maintenance work that has to be completed at a certain time. This typically involves routine maintenance, but can sometimes be unplanned repairs that are not urgent and can be performed when time allows. Maintenance schedules can be based on OEM guidelines, current machine condition, or past maintenance data and experience. All of these sources provide guidance on when to perform maintenance. But thankfully, these are not strict rules. As long as maintenance is scheduled within the generally recommended guidelines, organizations can be flexible in scheduling maintenance in order to avoid shutdowns that may impact business. There are many approaches organizations can take to minimize a maintenance task's impact on business operations. Here are some of the most common. Many organizations use a CMMS to plan and organize their maintenance work. By providing broad visibility on machine usage and maintenance needed, CMMS systems can be a powerful tool for coordinating and minimizing disruptions. They can also automatically schedule maintenance work based on intervals or triggers you specify. SMCP is a simple equation that calculates how late a particular maintenance task is. By calculating the ratio of days since a task was last done to the number of days in the ideal maintenance cycle, organizations can compare competing maintenance needs to set priorities. Standard operating procedures and checklists can improve consistency and help technicians complete tasks using methods that are proven to be thorough and time efficient. Not only does this minimize maintenance-related downtime, but it also reduces the need for rework and errors. Condition monitoring and predictive analytics can help preventive maintenance programs be more precise, only triggering maintenance when it is truly needed. By performing less maintenance overall, organizations also have less disruption to their business operations. Scheduled maintenance is an essential component for any proactive maintenance strategy. Getting the schedule right is critical for keeping your machines healthy while minimizing planned downtime for maintenance events. Modern CMMS software offers powerful tools to help you get the right maintenance done at the right time. Thanks for watching, and head over to limblecmms.com to learn more.